Hello, today we'll be looking at how temperature can affect the rate of reaction inside of glow sticks. Let's have a look.
For this, we'll be taking our two glow sticks, giving them a snap and a shake in order to mix the two chemicals together. The first glow stick on the left will be placed inside of a beaker of iced water, and the second on the right into a beaker of near boiling water. To see any noticeable change, this can take a bit of time, so we're going to speed up the footage to 3 times its usual speed. At this point, the difference is clear. The glow stick on the right in the near boiling water is significantly brighter than the one in our iced water. Let's take a bit of a closer look at that and zoom in first at the one in the iced water, and then at our one in the hot water. And let's pan to the left to get a comparison between these two different glow sticks. The difference is clear, but let's have a look at what's happening on an atomic level. The reason that a glow stick will give off its glow is because atoms are colliding into one another and emitting certain wavelengths of light. In this case, these wavelengths are green. But when this is given more energy, our atoms will be moving around more vigorously, increasing the likelihood that they will collide with another and emit their light. A glow stick which is heated will glow brighter, but not for as long, as it won't take quite as long for the reaction to come to completion.
And that does bring us to the end. Thank you very much for watching. Please share, like and subscribe and carry on learning. Until next time, thank you very much once again. Bye.